Happy morning, guys. Today we'll see about basics of Polygon. Till now, we working on the knobs, especially about the curves. By the curves, we can create the shapes, isn't it? Now we are going to shift to the basics of Polygon and Polygon tools. Basics of some polygons. Okay, here in the shelf, we can see the polygon, or you can create a polygon primitives. We can create the basic shapes. Anything you create, this particular channel box will have some inputs. So if you increase the coils or decrease, and then height, and then width, and then the radius. Okay, this is called a history. If you Control D, duplicate this. You cannot see the history over here. After duplicating, you cannot able to adjust. So after you adjust, if you delete the history, edit, delete by type history, you cannot see the same inputs. So any object you create, you can increase and decrease the segments in the channel box. You can see that. Suppose if you duplicate, you cannot see the inputs. Suppose if you delete the history, you cannot see the inputs. Okay, these are basic things. But you can increase now also the divisions, you can increase, you can extrude, other things you can do. Okay, what is the basics of polygon? The polygon based on vertex, face, and edges that you know already in 3ds Max. Okay, how to switch between the vertex, face, edges? Just hold the right click and you can see vertex, face, edges. Go to the vertex. In this vertex mode, you can select only the vertex, not the edge. What is the vertex? What is the vertex? The point at which two edges meet, it's a vertex. An edge, a line segment that join two vertices. So if we want to select the edge, right click, go to the edge and select. You can see in between two vertices, this and this, you can select the edge the same way, over here, same way. Okay, now right click object mode to select entire object. Now I'm moving entire object. Right click face mode, you can select only the face, and if you move, only the face will move. Select anywhere, only the face will get select. If you want to select the entire object, what you have to do is right click, go to object mode, and just click and move it. So in a components mode, we can only select those particular component. Now what is a face? Face, a closed edge will create the face. Okay, now you can see the edges are close here, close. So let's create the face. And finally, you can see UV, it's used for texture. If you right click, you can see vertex, face, edge, then UV. The UV is used for texture. We are not going to use it now. And what else we have? We have multi. It means you can select anything. But I didn't prefer that because I want to select exactly what I want to select. Of course, you can practice with multi also. Which is a space, it's for just showing purpose. If you have intersected faces, you can be able to find out where is the intersected faces. Then go to the object mode. Now we go to this box. And this particular vertex face edges is common for everything. Go to the vertex, select one or more vertex and move it. You can change the shape. Go to the edge, click on one edge, or click a double click and select the round circle of the edge. So what is the circle of the edge is known as? It's a loop. You can see that we are selecting the loop and we are scaling the loop by using the R button. So now over here, a little bit of bulginess we can create by editing the components of polygon. Okay, guys. Now, I hope you understand what is the components. I repeat again, vertex, then edge, use a shift to select multiple, and then a face. Use a shift to select the multiple faces. And if you shift and drag the face, it means you're going to extrude the face. Okay, this is the next tool. Tools. The first one is extrude. Select the face, hold, shift and drag. It's extrude. Select the face. First, I want to go to the face. Select this, right click, face, select the face, shift and drag. Correct. If you want to select the two, of course, by using the shift. Yes. You can choose. So this is the extrude. I delete everything by selecting and creating a simple box here. Scaling it by using the orbs scale. Again, scale it bigger by using the OR. Or you can go to the tools over here on the left side. Select and move. Okay, now I want to create a stool. So I need a faces over here, over here. Now I cannot able to create until I have some faces over here. There is no intersected edges. So what next is insert edge tool, shift plus right click to click for the tool, shift plus right click for the tool, shift plus right click. So I got a insert edge loop tool. So I click over here, then click over here. What happened? Inserting the edge loop, and then click over here, click over here. So we created the 4 insert edge loop tool. Then you can select 1, 2, 3, and 4, and shift and drag. We extruded it. Okay. So right click, object mode. So the object mode, entire object selected. Go to the plane and then scale it. We get this. So now I need a chair. The same way, we create a one box. First is the base. Width and height. Now I need to go to the insert edge loop tool. I want to insert the edge loop. Okay. So it will start from here and ends here. I mean the row. So press right click and hold. Insert edge loop tool. Click 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Right. Using a shift plus drag. Because if you scale, it's more designs. Then 1, 2, 3, shift plus drag, and move it towards backside. I get this. Suppose I want a hand to put my hand on top of it. It's very simple by selecting this to shift and drag. Okay, again shift and drag. By selecting this face, shift and drag towards the z-axis. Okay, now select this, Control D for duplicate, go here and rotate towards a 90 degree. I'm sorry, 180 degree. Then only it has a half a circle. Then Control D, move it. Now we can go for a 90 degree. And Control D for duplicate, drag towards that side. Now I need a minus 90 degree. Okay, guys. Okay, now I press F4. I press 4 mode and 5 mode and 6 mode. Now you can see 5 mode is shading mode, 4 mode is a wireframe mode. And select the object to see the wireframe on shading. Okay, it's very simple, isn't it? Extrude and creating the table and chair. And what other tool? Multi-cut tool. What is this? Suppose I need a cut over here somewhere from this edge to edge. I'll shift right click, multi-cut tool. It will create the edge where we need exactly. Got it? It's not like creating the loop. It can also create the loop by using a control, and you can click somewhere. It's called a multi-cut tool. Multi-cut tool useful for a character modeling, face model, something like that. Inside edge loop tool, you can create the edge loop, something like this. So wherever you need edge loop, you can create. But why unnecessarily? Please don't create unnecessary edge loop. Make unnecessary loops. Okay, guys. Any questions for this? A simple a table and chair. So this is your assignment. It's very simple, isn't it? Please try this and show to me. It's very simple, actually. If you're stuck with the knobs, no problem. I'll take a class for the one section if you want. But this one, you try it. It's very easy to create. So Polygon, you're so familiar with that. Maybe we'll go next section also Polygon. Polygon tools, we'll see more tools in the Polygon. Now, that's it today's section. Please do it. Yes, and please print screen and send to me. Okay, guys, have a good day. Bye-bye.